Inaba Denko's innovative Slimduct PD lineset cover provides a sleek appearance with durable construction and a compact design that accommodates multiple applications with a quick and easy install. Slimduct PD's sleek appearance is aesthetically pleasing, and the ivory color blends into commercial building environments, maintaining building value. Outdated systems such as exposed linesets or jacketing are unattractive and degrade building value. Slimduct PD is constructed from a durable high-grade PVC to be weather-resistant, UV-stabilized, and fire retardant. Outdated systems are prone to leaks, rust, and damage caused by severe weather, atmosphere conditions, or accidental damage. Slimduct PD's compact design optimizes limited space, making routine maintenance easy. Its round profile design is available in 3.5, 4 5/8, and 5 3/8 inch sizes to accommodate larger line sets and complex configurations. Outdated systems have bulky designs that are a poor use of space that make access to routine maintenance difficult. Slimduct PD's quick and easy installation requires no special tools. All the straight ducts and fittings disassemble for ease of installation and mount with standard wall-mounted pipe brackets. Installed in 3 easy steps. Step 1, clip duct into place over installed line set. Step 2, install mounting couplers and fittings. Step 3, secure with screws provided. Slimduct PD accommodates multiple applications by elevating line sets from wall, ceiling, and deck surfaces. Condenser to Slimduct RD, commercial VRF/VRV, and residential VRF/VRV. Contact us to order your Slimduct PD line set cover today.